Trading gets so much easier once you find your objective in the market and you follow that objective. You know what I'm saying? It gets so much easier. We bottom ticked the market. You feel me? We bottom ticked the market. I held for a little too long. I held for a little too long, and I was trading micros. So I only ended up getting 39 cents today. Wow, isn't that crazy? I mean, not 39 cents. I only made $39 today. But uh, it's cool because I followed my objective in the market, so I'm not really upset. So let me show y'all what I mean. Okay, so earlier today there was SMT all day. Everywhere you look, SMT, bearish SMT, bearish SMT. I'm not even finna mark it out because it was a bearish SMT almost all day today. So I was looking for a reversal. New York session, we just pushed up. I missed a couple of, not a couple, I missed a big move right here. I'm waiting for this pullback to come in and tap me up, by the way. So that buy order gonna be in the way for now. But I missed this big push up right here, which I called in my class today. Discord in the description. I called in the class and I was like, told them we could have bought in right here. And for the 80s or the 60s right there, and would have made a cool $1,200 to $1,500 profit. Cool. Uh, my main thing is I was looking for sales because I had a feeling the market was going to reverse on us, which it did. Now, I sold at this top of the market. I have proof. Let me go to my Discord so y'all boys don't think I'm lying. This was the call right here, 21,691. All right, I had my limit at 21,691. So, yep, basically, bro, we bottom ticked it. Oh my goodness, we bottom ticked. And I was trading micros. And I had my take profit like all the way down here into these imbalances right here. And as y'all can see, we haven't came down. So it pushed back all the way up here. Pushed back up here. And so I just sold out. But okay, that's enough about the trade. Why did I take this trade? And uh why did I say I'm gonna teach y'all boys how important it is to wait? Because I seen my confluences. I wanted my setup. I told my class if I didn't see my setup today, I was not going to take a trade. So everybody in the class knew if we didn't see the setup, I was not taking a trade today. Yep, right here on the 4 hour, we had a rejection block right here that I wanted to see get filled at this 50% mean threshold. Wanted to see that get filled, come up to the 50, and at the 50% mark, that is where I had my buy-in order. My sell order. That's where I was looking to sell. Boom. Okay. We also had SMTs at these highs as well. And it's bearish SMT on the daily time frame as well. Okay. Cool. 1 hour. Go to the 1 hour. Boom. Had a 1 hour fair value gap. Also a consequent encroachment. And this was just my confirmed entry right here. This was my entry. And as you can see, this was a nice little entry right here. I was looking for a rejection. We just pushed up. So I was looking for a rejection to bounce back down. Now I'm looking for a bounce off of this fair value gap to push us even higher. You know what I'm saying? That's my whole objective. I'm probably going to have this trade set overnight. You know what I'm saying? That's just how I trade. I had a bearish SMTs everywhere on each time frame. So all of my time frames lined up. Also, my time frames also lined up on the 4 hour, 1 hour, and the 15 minute. So all I did was I set my order like this. I set my limit order like that, looking for the trade, and I went to sleep. I took me a freaking nap. You guessed it. I went and laid down. I laid my tail down. Why? Because I knew this trade was going to work out. People in the server doubted me. I'm gonna be honest. People were doubting because they seen that the market was pushing up so bullish. But once I seen my play, I didn't take any more trades until I seen my setup. The reason I do this, the reason I didn't hop in these trades was because I already knew my mindset was set to sell. Okay. Let me fix that. This morning when I was live trading in the Discord, I do that in the Discord. Make sure y'all boys join up, get the mentorship, all of that. It's only $75. Super cheap. What I peeped earlier, I said how time frame works, accumulation during Asia, manipulation during London. I was expecting push up. I wanted to see some push down before we had the big push up. So I want to see a push down, boom, come down here, manipulate me, consolidate for a little bit, and push up to the upside. We pushed down a little bit, swept these highs, lows, and pushed up instantly. So I was correct, but it didn't play out how I wanted to play out. So since I missed that, I feel like I missed that move. I was like, I'm just gonna wait. I don't care how long I have to. If I don't take it, yeah, if I don't have to take a trade, I won't. You feel me? I won't take a trade today. Cool. I really wasn't trying to force it. Um, boom. So ended up trying to sell like right here. I think at this high didn't work out because I was rushing to play. Got FOMO, fear of missing out. So I was like, okay, I'm just gonna wait again into this fair value gap right here. It barely tapped us in. I think we got tapped in at this candle, and then we got tapped in at this candle right here. We held it, and I got out at this one because I was like, all right, 3 o'clock finna hit. So 4 o'clock p.m. 4 p.m. finna hit, which is 5 p.m. Central Time. So there's recess for the markets. So it shuts down, and most prop firms don't want you holding any trades during that time. You can't have a trade held. So I had to get out right here. I had to. And then later on it pushed back down. So I could have got out at profits, but it's cool. But yeah, I didn't take you when you are a trader, you don't force setups, okay? You don't force a trade setup. Set out, look at your trade, look at why you are going to make this trade, and then find the entry point for that trade to be set up. Have a decent entry point. We were pushing up here. The reason I'm going later on tonight, it could fail. If it fails, I'm completely fine with that because I genuinely feel like this was a great read. You feel me? This is on a 1 hour fair value gap. This entry point at the 50% mark. 1 hour fair value gap. It's at the 1 hour fair value gap. It's going to follow a previous trend that we had, and it's going to push up inside of the market. That's completely cool with me. You feel me? I should see during London session, we should have manipulation into this fair value gap, and we should have a push up that makes complete sense. Why? Because we're still following the trend. We have a bunch of buying pressure over here that we should react off of. You get what I'm saying? Unless we are coming down the field, all of this down here, the field is down here, is no reason for us to push back down. Once you find the objective in the market, your objective, then follow that objective. Feel me? Earlier, we could have took a trade right here because we knew once we seen this big candle, we had a clear objective was to take these highs up here. That was our clear objective. So once we seen that, go for that trade. That is all you got to do. When you are a trader, you find the objective of the market. Just for right then, it's not for the entire day. If you are a swing trader, you know what I'm saying? If you're a scalper, it's for a few seconds. But if you're a swing trader, you're just trying to find a setup that's gonna happen for like probably the most is an hour or two. The most. Most of the time it's like 15 to 20 minutes that you're in a trade and then you're out. Feel? So look for a setup that works for you. Use that setup. Act on that setup. That's all I got for y'all boys today though. It's just finding the objective of the market and going off of that. God loves y'all boys. Catch y'all another